Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. I do the jabs and I tap again. Now by myself, no, I grab a friend. Now Millie Rock, I might take it back to the Diddy box. I'm really hot, really hot, really hot.
So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a challenge that I saw on YouTube. It's called When You Bring Slime to School. I actually had no idea because I've never brought slime to school and got in trouble. I've actually never even brought slime to school if you think about it. But yeah, let's get started. But first, I'm going to tell you guys the names. So first, we're going to have a teacher named Miss Watson. Teacher name is Miss Watson. And we're going to have her a neighbor named Jade. And then my actual name, Maria. So let's get started. Oh my god, I'm so ready to go to school. This is going to be fun. Oh wow. I can't wait to get in the classroom, especially to play with my secret slime. Okay. So, yeah, let's do what I gotta do. Okay, class. So this is my classroom, and my name is Mrs. Watson. So today we're gonna have a pop quiz. So I want you to take out your composition book and a pencil. So I want you to get that out now so we can get ready with the quiz. And it'll be ready in about 5 minutes. So get started. Ooh, let me go get out my let me get out my composition book and my journal. Composition book, my pencil, man. My pencil. Ooh, let's get my slime. Hey neighbor, do you like my backpack? I got my backpack from Victoria's Secret. Look, it says it right here. Victoria's Secret. I wonder if you like the backpack. Oh yeah, I love your backpack. Oh, I wish I had the same one. Oh my gosh, is that slime? Oh, is that slime? Ooh, I'm telling. No. Please. Don't tell on me. If you tell on me, I'll get in trouble. She'll take away my slime for the rest of the day, and then she'll call my mom. Please. I'll do anything, literally anything. I guess since you said anything, I want to play with your slime. I want to play with it. Okay, fine. You can play with my slime. But first, you have to promise that you won't tell after you give me back the slime and I start playing with it. Okay? Okay, I promise. Alright, fine. Here's the slime. Hold on, I didn't even get to play with it for a minute. I just wanted to play with it one time. Yes. Okay, now, here you go. Oh, thanks for the slime. Hey, why do you have your journal out? That's for a pop quiz journal. We're not doing a pop quiz. Hold on. Oh, wow. Everybody has it. Ooh, I guess we is. Let me get mine. Open the page. Let's play with my slime first. Look at it. It's so cool. Oh, I love slime. I wish I had money to buy some glue so I can make slime just like it. At least I get my allowance on Tuesday, I guess. And probably with my allowance money, I could buy some. So, yeah, I could probably buy some. I don't know. I kind of want to use my allowance for a new backpack. I want mine just like hers. Wow. Who cares? Slime. Alright, whatever. But you gotta give me the slime back now. The quiz is about to start. Okay, fine. You can have the slime back. I had so much fun playing with it. It was so cool. Okay, let me get it back. Here we go. Thank you for my slime back. Yes, I get to play with my slime. Oh wow, it's like little sparkles in my slime. Oh my god. Hey neighbor, look at the slime. Yeah, I see the slime. And you know what? Just because you didn't want to give you the slime back so early, I'm telling Mrs. Watson. No. Please don't tell Mrs. Watson on me. Please, she'll take it. No, look, I already let you play with the slime. That's what you said. You didn't tell me how long you wanted to play with the slime. No, please. No, please. I'm telling you right now. Mrs. Watson. Maria has slime, and she's not supposed to have it, especially on the pop quiz. What? What did I just hear? Oh, you have slime? Oh, no. I'm investigating this slime, and I will give this to you at the end of the day. And you know what? That's a phone call home to your mother today, Maria. I am so disappointed. Thank you, Jade. Thanks, Jade, for telling me. You're welcome. Thank you. You're going to be student of the month this year. Just for your honesty. Let me call her mother. Yeah, hi, yes. I would like to speak to Maria Lee's mother. Yes, this is Maria Lee's teacher, Mrs. Watson. She has brought slime to school, and I do not allow slime at my school because last week there was 2 girls fighting over slime, and they got suspended. And I know Maria is a really good and pleasant and a really good girl, and I know that she can make better choices. So I just wanted to let you know that she brought slime in, that she will be owing her recess this tomorrow, starting tomorrow. So she'll be owing recess. And I hope you really talk to her, because she is a really smart girl, and she's just making bad choices. So yeah, I hope you talk to her. Hey, okay, guys. Now, I feel like it was pretty funny. Yeah, I think it was pretty funny. But I play with it because ain't nobody in here a teacher. But yeah. I feel like that was kind of funny to me. It was kind of funny. it was really kind of funny. So, yeah. I hope you guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me how you thought of, comment if you thought it was funny, cool, so-so, or okay, like, it's good. It's good. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. See y'all. Bye.